Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn what are page templates in Sitefinity and why do we need them. We will also see some of the features of page templates. And in the last, I will tell you one bonus tip for the page templates. Please watch the previous videos of this tutorial by clicking on the I button before proceeding. So page templates are nothing but blueprints for the pages. It provides a basic layout for the pages to inherit. Let's see with an example, why do we need them? So for example, this is our web application. Now in this web application, we have this header. We must be having some footer and we have this side layout. This is also a side panel. So if we click on any of the page, like for example, deploy and upgrade. If we click on configure your project for a production environment. So you can see only the major content, main content is changing. So our side layout is same and our header and footer is same. So for reusability, you would like to have page templates or some blueprint or some layout which could be inherited by any of the other pages and should not be created again and again. So that is the reason we should need some layout or some blueprint for any of the page. So that is called as page template in Sitefinity. Let's see how do we create a page template. So in the content tab, sorry, in the design tab, we have this page templates. Let's go to the page templates. So in the page templates section, you would see some of the page templates are already there, which is provided by Sitefinity itself, and those are default page templates. So you can see that this particular page template is having 3 pages. So that means 3 pages are built on this particular page template. And we can also create page templates based on other templates. So for example, in one template you would like to have this header and footer only, and in the other template you would like to have header footer which is already there, should not be created again, and you would like to add this side panel. So while creating a page, you will be inheriting from the new page template, so that you should not create a panel and the header and footer itself again and again. Let's see with an example. Let's edit this particular page template. So you can see some zones are already there. You can drag widgets there. So let's drag a widget. For example, let's drag here the navigation panel. Let's drag the navigation here. In the footer itself, let's create some content. Let's edit this. Let's add some text here. This is the footer area. Let's save. So you can see our header and footer is there, and we will also let's publish this. Okay. So this template is one column header footer. Let's create a new template. So let's give it a name as our first master template. You can give a developer name here if you would like to have. If not, it will be use a default code there. You can use a thumbnail from here to represent how your template looks, because it will be difficult if you have so many page templates in future. So from the template thumbnails, you can choose anyone. Let's see, we can choose this. Let's click on done. Now, this is the important part. The template is based on. If you want to have this as a fresh template, then you would just click on create and go to add content. If you want to have it by like if it is based on some other template, then you could choose one. So we have edited this one page, one column header and footer. So let's use this so that we will be having that particular content here. Let's create and go to add content. So you can see if our template is based on some other template, then it will automatically inherit those particular templates contents, and you can see that you are not able to edit those content. Now you can drag and drop any widget here. Let's click on content. Let's paste some content here. I will copy from this site. So let's click on edit. You can click on HTML for placing that HTML here, because this is a rich text editor, and click on publish. So now you can see that our freshly created new template has been created and listed on the page templates list. You can see it here, our first master template. Let's create a page based on this template. Let's go to the pages. Let's quickly create a page. Let's give it a name as about us. I would like to have this page on top level, showing under navigation, and continue. Now I would like to have select a page template here. So I will select my page template, which is right now having 0 pages. Let's click on this. So our new about us page has been created with this default template layout page. Now, if you want to add any content here, you can do that. But for that, a page template should have some zones there. So let's go to the page template again. Let me duplicate this. Let me go to the page template. As you can see, we cannot drag and drop more widgets here because we don't have any zones here. So we have to make changes to the page template. Let's go to the page template again. Let's edit our page template. So as I have shown you in the last video for the pages, you can create a layout here. Let's give a layout here. For example, you would like to have some content here like 75-25. You would like to drop it here and click on publish. Now I'm going to refresh this. Let's go to the about us page. So you can see now two new zones has been created as per the layout we have given the page template. So you can drag and drop widgets here, and accordingly you can create the content on this page. So for example, you need to drop a content block here, and you would like to have some content here. This is about us page. Click on save, click on publish. It is taking some time. You can also preview that. So now you can see our navigation is there, our sample text is there. This is about us page. This content is also here, and this is footer area. Let me provide you one more example and one more feature of the page template. So you would like to have this particular center content that is hello world should be configurable. So going to the page template, let's edit this again. Now you can see a more option here. Click on more option and make editable on pages. Click on make editable on pages and publish it. So now on the page itself, you are able to configure that particular section where I have made it as editable. So that part is configurable now. So you can go and provide your particular content on the page itself. So for example, you would like to add some other content here about us hello world page. So you can do that. Now preview that. So now you can see that we are able to edit the page content configurable section as well. So this is all we need to know as of now for the page templates because this is a beginner level video tutorial series. So now it's time for the bonus tip. Like, do remember every time you made changes to any page template, the cache is invalidated. What I mean, if you have made one change to any of the master template, for example, these are all one of the master templates, and if you made changes to that, then all those pages which are using that particular template will going to rebuild from the database whenever any page is requested. So it's a good practice to have many templates and should be designed carefully so that editing should be minimum. So that's all for today. Please comment me if you have any suggestions or queries regarding this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.